Hey everyone, my name is Ara from grade 11D. Today, I will be explaining about waves and their examples in daily life that I learned from Physics 1. Hope you enjoy! So there are multiple types of wave interaction, but today I will be explaining only the two of them, and the first one is refraction wave. So what is refraction? Refraction is when a wave changes its direction when passing from one medium to another. When the medium is faster, like air, it will create a bigger angle than when the medium is slower, like the water. Let me show you a demonstration. So right here I have water in a glass, and I also have a stick. So I'll be putting the stick inside the water. And as you can see right here, the stick looks bigger when it is inside the water than when it is on air. And you can also see here that the angle is smaller inside the water than it is when it's outside in the air, because when the stick gets into the water, the stick looks bigger, and this is because the water is a slower medium than the air. You can also see here in the middle that when the stick is inside the water, it also causes the stick to look like it's a bit bent. There are lots of objects we use in our daily life that contains refraction. Some of them are eyeglasses, camera, magnifying glass, contact lens, and even a diamond. But today, I'll be talking about how they work in an eyeglasses. So let's say the eyeglasses is a minus eyeglasses, which means you see nearby things clearly, but distant things are blurry. So for minus eyeglasses, the lenses are thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. They spread light out so it focuses correctly at the back of your eye. So as you can see in this picture, when the light hits the eyeglasses lens, it bends. The shape of the lens changes the direction of the light so that it focuses right on your retina. Retina is the part at the back of your eye that helps you see clearly. So basically, eyeglasses bend light in a way that helps your eyes focus correctly, so that you can see things clearly. And the refraction is the one causing the eyeglasses lens to be able to bend the light and helps people that use them to be able to see. So next we have interference wave. So interference have two types, known as constructive interference and destructive interference. But today, I'll specifically talk about constructive interference. So constructive interference is when two waves are combined, resulting in the wave's amplitude being the sum of the combined wave's amplitude. So here, as you can see in the picture, before interference, there's two small waves. Then, during interference, both waves reinforce, creating a big wave. Then after the interference, the waves are back to two smaller waves. There are also lots of objects that create interference waves, such as guitar, speaker, and a radio antennas. But for now, I'll be talking about how interference works in a loudspeaker in a concert hall. So the main goal is to make sure everyone in the concert hall hears the music clearly and at the same volume, no matter where they are sitting. This is why multiple speakers are placed around the concert hall. Some are near the stage and others are placed further back. Sound takes time to travel through the air. To make sure all the sounds from all the speakers reach you at the same time, the sound engineer adds a tiny delay to the speaker that are further away. The sound waves from the speakers need to line up correctly so that they add together. This makes the sound louder and clearer. This is the constructive interference. So, by using multiple speakers with careful timing and direction helps to ensure that the music sounds great for everyone in the concert hall. So, in a loudspeaker in a concert hall, interference waves create a louder volume of the sound when all the waves are combined by playing the music together at the right timing. Last but not least, how does this outcome relate to the big question? And what is our big question? Our big question is, why might visionary leadership cause and/or affect transformation? The answer to that is visionary leaders should be able to make use of waves and their properties to create or innovate solutions that could transform the lives of people around them. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful.